So are you aware that Facebook now have a Reels option? You can upload a short video option, just the way TikTok and YouTube is. All right. We all know that Reels was only enabled on Instagram, but right now it's now on Facebook, and now you now have the opportunity to earn a whole lot of money uploading Reels video on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how to actually go about that right now, because most of you might be running around trying to look for what that Reels option is or where it is located. So just check it out right now. All right. Most of you could be looking for the Reels option. This is where to find it. Let's look at it right now. So scrolling through your entire Facebook feed and you're unable to find the Reels because it's almost everywhere on your Facebook feed, the place where you normally post video or post normal stuffs, all right, but you can't find it. If you go to the menu, it's not there just the way I'm looking for it on my phone right here. So this is where you can find the Reels. You can see me scrolling all the way but can't find it. This is where to find the Reels. If you are facing this kind of challenges, just know that you are using a very old version of the Facebook app. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store and update your Facebook app. As simple as that. The Reels option will be added to your Facebook page. Once that is done, then you can go ahead to upload Reels, and this is just a simple way on how to upload Reels on your Facebook page, or either on your profile or on your Facebook. We are done updating the Facebook app right now. All right, let's go on to post some Reels. So you can see Reels now at the menu bar. All right, at the menu, and then you can see, if I go to my page right now, I'll see Reels. You can see it right there. Okay, besides posting photos, creating a story, the next thing is Reels. All right, so let's go on to post some Reels so that you can see how it actually works. So just like the way you post on your TikTok or YouTube, you could post like a video that you've already pre-recorded. You could record a video instantly. You could post a picture, photos. All right. So right now I'm just going to choose random videos right here and post as Reel on this place. All right. So you can see Reel. There's no place for you to tag. It's just for you to put the title and then you post. After all, people don't normally go for title and descriptions that much. So the Reels, what they are just concerned about is just the videos. All right. So if you're saving a video, you should be sure that you always save it with a kind of captivating thumbnail. All right, so that when anybody see it, because that's the only thing that pushes Reel really fast, because there's no tag. All right, just title and the first picture they are looking at. All right, so put the description. After writing the description, then the next thing, you tap on the share, and that's all. Your Reel is up and doing. After some time, when you get to a particular threshold that we are going to be making more video on later on, Facebook will send you an invite to apply for monetization. So that's all for now. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this.